Welcome back to Mac's Garage. If you like what you see here today, as always, hit the like, share, subscribe. It helps me out. I appreciate it. All that good stuff. And notifications, I do that thing too. So I'm here with my 2004 Chevrolet 2500 HD Silverado. And this is a winter truck project. Not really. I am just trying to make it safe and drivable as a winter beater. It's actually pretty nice shape for an 04 in this area, but it's not nice enough that I'm gonna feel bad about winter driving it. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm going to change just the lower ball joint. Everything else seems to be pretty good. The lower ball joint on both sides is wasted. I already did the other side. I already changed the tires. The reality is that it is relatively late at night. I would rather be sleeping than doing this right now, but this has an alignment appointment in the morning that I need to get it to, so that means I get to do this. That said, probably not going to be a real detailed video. I'm just going to hit the majigger there and make it go into time-lapse mode, and I'll work away on this. Side note, probably going to do some things that I wouldn't necessarily do this way on a customer vehicle. It's my own car, and one that I don't particularly care too much about. So if you see me just blasting stuff with an impact that I would normally torque, yeah, is what it is. So that said, I'm going to hit the go button on the time lapse, and I'll talk to you at the end. So that's it for this particular episode, movie, video, whatever it is. So I've got the lower ball joint, the new one installed. The rest of it looks okay. I mean, nothing has play in it. The upper on this side spins really easy, and it's easy to move, so it's probably going to go out before too long. But I want to drive this truck a little bit before I put any more money into it. And I think with an alignment and these kind of crappy used but not totally bald cord showing tires will allow me to put maybe 1,000 miles on it or so before I decide to dump any more money into it. So that's it for this one. Again, hit the like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Now I get to go to bed.